So, hi all. This is Miss S. Pavitranchi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies. I'm here, SNS College of Technology. So, I'm here with the next video, which in terms related to the business research. Yes. So, here is what the next topic we have seen what is research. So it is research search again and again. So now we'll see what is business research. So business research is a systematic inquiry whose objective is to provide information to solve the manager problems. So as I already told, only we have only when we have some problems we used to identify the problem, what is a problem or what is a purpose. We require the problem from the exact scenario and what can be done, which can be the main objective to provide the information to solve the problems. So in this case, when it is of a systematic inquiry where the objective of the where the objective of the research is to provide an information to solve the manager problems, only if it is done, then it is called as business research. So I hope it is very clear with the research and business research, the difference between. So research is what? The research again and again where it can be given a proper, any solutions can be given to execute the problem, I mean to solve the problem. But in case of business research, when it is a systematic inquiry where we've given the problem raised from the in terms of business, whose objective is to provide information to solve the managerial problems. So in this case, it is called as the business research. So now tell me let me explain what are the needs of business research. Okay. So the first need is what? The manager increased need for more and better information. Yes, so the managers increase need for more and better information. Only when there is a need, when there is a more information or when there is a better information, the managers need can be increased. The second, the availability of improved techniques and tools to meet its needs. Yes, so when there is a proper availability or when there is an improved techniques or tools to meet its needs, we be able to do the research work. So there is no point of collecting the data or not, there's no point of collecting the information. Only when we have some better proper software or the analysis which can be done to retrieve the solution, we can do it with the business research. So it is the second point is like the techniques and tools has to be met. The third, resulting information overload if discipline is not employed in the process. So, the resulting information overload if discipline is not employed in the process, then there's no, there cannot be a business research. Yes. So, the thing here is we must have the information. It should be reduces uncertainty. So information reduces uncertainty. I don't know like if we should go for a new inventory model. These are the things which our mind will work upon with the information. So in this case, like the three things, like managers need the better and more information. Yes, the availability of improved techniques and tools to meet its needs. The third is like overloaded if discipline is not employed in the process. So these three needs is very important for the business research, where the only when there is a proper information, when there is a proper data collected, we can do it the proper research work. Else, the next point, we have collected the data, we have collected the information, we have found out what is the problem statement, everything has been done. And the next step is like you have to put it up to into some analysis or some software where the analysis can be done. For example, techniques or the tools. So in this case, if we use SPSS tools, for example, we have to find the variables between, I mean, the relationship between two variables. Then the analysis correlation can be done for the two variables. So in this case, a proper tools and techniques has to be done. So this is what the business research needs. So like information reduces uncertainty, or I'm confused, like what should we do if we want to go for a new inventory model. So this is what a basic business research needs of the the managers. Okay, so thank you.